this point. Susan enhances the lives of children through her scientific research. She enhances the lives and education of many students through her own extraordinary skill as a communicator. And through her boundless optimism and enthusiasm, she enhances the life and mood of anyone fortunate enough to know her. I am fortunate enough to know her. I'm blessed to call her not only a colleague, but also a friend, and delighted that she's agreed to introduce our speaker this evening, Susan Jerker.
Welcome to the lecture series, Exploring Human Enhancement, sponsored by the Center for Values in Medicine, Science, and Technology. Our speaker tonight is Dr. Andy Clark, a professor of philosophy and chair in logic and metaphysics at the University of Edinburgh in Scotland. Previously, he served on the faculties of Indiana University in Bloomington and Washington University in St. Louis. His extensive publications represent broad interest, focusing on aspects of cognitive science, philosophy of mind, and connectionist neural networking. I hope you'll read some of his interesting books, which are mentioned in our program for tonight. One of his books is also part of the title for tonight's talk, Natural Born Cyborgs. A cyborg is this organism that's part human, part machine. The term was apparently coined in the 1960s in an article in Astronomics for NASA that talked about the human-machine systems in outer space. And the idea back then seemed to be that the biological platform of humans can be limited. And this raised the question of whether we could upgrade our capabilities by using a technological platform or some combination of a biological and technological platform. And progress was made towards some very important achievements. We learned to restore disordered capabilities with some new technologies such as pacemakers and cochlear implants, which restore hearing. We learned to control some normal biological capabilities with new technologies or drugs, such as birth control devices or drugs. And more recently, we've learned to extend biological capabilities with peripheral new technological devices and environmental assist, such as personal computers